Today, I'm going to show you how to get traffic to your website for free. Using the methods that I'm going to show you today, you can get anywhere from 100 to 300 daily visitors to your website. And if you don't have a website, you can get that traffic to your landing page, to your affiliate links, to your e-com store, and pretty much anywhere else you want. So what is the traffic source? Where does all of this free traffic come from? This traffic source is WordPress.com. I have never before shown how to utilize this powerful resource to drive 100% free organic traffic to your website, to your blog, to your e-com store. So this is what I'm going to show you today. And WordPress.com is a whole universe of blogs. I think about maybe 50% of all blogs in the world use WordPress as their blogging platform. So a lot of the websites that you see every single day, including my website, are run on the WordPress platform. Now, what you probably don't know is that most of the posts on those sites get fed into this WordPress.com sort of blogosphere or this environment where a lot of people end up discovering each other's content through WordPress. I'm going to show you the whole process step by step later on in this video, but first I want to make sure that you understand the power of this and how this actually works. So after you register on WordPress.com, I'm going to show you how in just a second. You will be able to get access to this reader, and if you fire up this reader, you can you can actually discover various topics and you can perform searches as well. So let's say you have a blog dedicated to dog training. So you would type in something like dog training into this search bar and you will see how many blog posts from high authority websites with a lot of engagement are being shared here on WordPress.com. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can tap into all of this traffic that views all of these posts every single day on WordPress.com and how you can get very relevant, very targeted, high quality traffic to your website. You will see there are lots of these with a lot of comments and a lot of likes. And the way that all of these posts get fed into being viewable by the reader in WordPress.com is because WordPress websites are sort of connected to WordPress.com in the background. Okay, so this WordPress.com reader is kind of like almost like a Facebook for bloggers. You know, that's how people who are interested in a particular topic end up discovering each other's content. They end up subscribing to each other's feed on WordPress.com. And this is exactly how you can get access to all of these people who are interested in this particular topic. Let's say this post here, 3 mistakes I made as a first-time dog owner. Now, if I open this up and I scroll down, you will see there is a lot of engagement, a lot of comments, and we can, anytime I leave a comment or I engage or I like with this post, people who have subscribed to these blog posts, they will get notifications that somebody has added a comment or somebody has subscribed. They will come back into this WordPress.com post and I will get a chance to actually get those people onto my profile, onto my link, onto my blog, onto my e-com store. So it's very, very powerful. There is a lot of traffic on WordPress.com. So now I'm going to show you step by step exactly how we can do this. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kononenko. On this channel, I publish regular tutorials related to blogging, how to get free traffic, and how to make money with affiliate marketing. Make sure to click subscribe just below this video and also enable all notifications so you never miss my future videos. Thank you. Let's get into the video. So the first step of what you need to do is get an account at Gravatar.com. Head over to Gravatar.com and then click here to create your own Gravatar, this button, and go ahead and register your account. Fill out all of your information, your current email address. It can be a Gmail account or an address that's linked to your current website. Then you will also need to select a username. You can see here that I get error messages, but this is because I already have an account on Gravatar.com. Lastly, you will need to add your password and then click create your account. After your Gravatar.com account is created, you may be presented with a screen that will prompt you for various upgrades to purchase domains, etc. Do not do this. So big warning, do not buy any of the upgrades. You don't need them. Just give it about 3 to 5 minutes and check your email. You will get an email that looks similar to this. It will say activate and then whatever your chosen username was. and you will need to click here to confirm. Now this will complete the creation of your account. So do not buy any upgrades. Just wait for this email. Check your spam or your promo folders until this email actually comes through. Step 2 will be to log into your new Gravatar account and update it. Make sure that it's all up to date. I'm here logged into my Gravatar account, and here you should have a nice image. If you don't have an image currently, then go ahead and add a new image and select it to be linked to your account. And then head over to my profile, and under my profile, make sure that you've got your name, your display name, your location, and most importantly, what you want to do is go into websites, and you will want to link the website or any link anywhere where you want to send traffic. You will want to add that into your gravatar.com account. So here you can see that I've got my blog, caffeinatedblogger.com. But if you just have a free WordPress hosted blog, so something like gregswebsite.wordpress.com, which is completely free for you to get, then you can add that here now. So you can add a wordpress.com website, or you can add any other website that you want. You can see there is an option here to add your e-commerce store, for example. If you prefer to send all of this traffic to your e-commerce store, you can do that. You can add your landing page, pretty much any link that you possibly want. So go ahead and add that. This is where all the traffic is going to be heading to once you start implementing this method. In my example, I'm just going to leave it like this because I want all of the traffic to go to my caffeinatedblogger.com blog. Step number 3 is to log into wordpress.com and check your settings and add your website there as well. I'm here now logged into my wordpress.com account. So this is where you need to go, wordpress.com. Then in the top right, click here on to my profile and make sure that the website where you want to send the traffic to is also stated here on this page as well at the bottom. So right now under my profile, I've got the website where I want the traffic to go, which is caffeinatedblogger.com. But if you want to have a different link, then let me just scroll up here. So under profile links, you've got this option to add. So you can actually add a WordPress site, or you can add the URL. This is the URL where once again you want the traffic to go. So just come here, make sure that it is correctly set up, and you can add any URL where you want to send the traffic to. In some of my previous video, I've shown you how to get how to build a free hosted WordPress.com website. So if that's what you have, if you have my website.wordpress.com type domain, you can add that over here. So you can go add new site and you can start a brand new website or add it over there as well. So now that all of that setup is complete, I'm going to show you 2 different ways to actually get the traffic from this setup. The first method is manual method. And in the second method, in a later part of this video, I'm also going to show you a way to automate this so that it's a lot quicker and it just runs for you even while you're sleeping. So this first method, the manual method, works like this. Inside your WordPress.com account, you will need to click Reader, so this option over here, and then go to search and then type in anything that is related to your niche. So for example, if my niche is affiliate marketing, then I'm going to type in affiliate marketing, and I'm going to be looking for posts that ideally have a high amount of engagement. So for example, a good one here would be something that has over 10 or 20 comments. And your goal now is to start interacting with these posts, with these authors, and with everyone who has left comments or who might be viewing these posts. So this first one here, best affiliate marketing platforms, the people who have liked this post, so they've added it to their favorites, they are an excellent audience for my blog. So people who are interested in affiliate marketing, who are reading this information, I want them to get onto my blog. I want them to click my affiliate links. I want them to buy my products. I want them to join my list. Okay, this works in any niche. If you're in a dog niche, so you would start typing in terms that are similar to or related to the dog niche. So how to train your dog, how to stop your dog barking, dog training tips, those kinds of searches. And it's the same in every niche. And what you want to do is you want to start interacting. So if I think that this is a relevant post for me, then I'm going to follow. Okay, so that's what you should be doing as well. And then add it to favorites. So just click this star. Now, this is going to send a notification to the author of this post that Greg Kononenko, the Caffeinated Blogger, has just followed and has just starred your post. So anyone else who is also following this, okay, like this, they will also get a notification when you put a comment onto that blog. So you want to also start doing comments as well. So I'm going to follow and like a bunch of them. Okay, and then what we're also going to be doing is we need to go in here and we need to start interacting with the post. So you want to scroll down here and you want to leave a comment. So you can see there are a ton of comments. They're all real comments. They're not just spam. Okay, there is nobody spamming anyone. And you will want to add your comment over here. So just read the post. Make sure that the comment that you leave is thoughtful. It's not spammy, something like, oh, great post. You know, that won't work. Just try to add a little bit of good information, or you know, be helpful somehow. Maybe comment to somebody else. Now, the power of this is going to be that you're going to get exposure to anyone else who sees this post in the future. And if they're interested in your profile name, so for example here, talent discovery, you know, if I'm interested in what Brian has got to say or this person has got to say, then the visitors will be clicking your profile link. And each of these names, look at this, each of these names is clickable, okay? Each of these names is clickable. And your name, when you leave your comment, is going to be clickable as well. So this way, you're going to be getting traffic from anyone who looks through the comments and clicks on your profile link. Another super powerful thing is that because all of the people who have interacted with this post, they will be getting notifications when you publish a brand new post on your site. Now that's very, very powerful because, like you can see, for example, this person here, Callie, who runs this Middle Me blog, she has 7,457 followers. Now these followers, okay, they will be seeing notifications anytime Callie makes a brand new post on her blog. They will get notifications, and all of these followers are going to be likely to check out their blog post, which also will grow your traffic long term as well. And how does this traffic actually get onto your website? Well, you remember that we set up all of these links just before. So for example, if somebody wants to find out more about this person Maximus, they will click on this link and that will take them to the domain. See, maximustheindie.wordpress.com. So they've got a blog hosted on the wordpress.com platform. So it's a free blog. And this is exactly why I mentioned earlier that you need to make sure that your sites are set up correctly. So you need to do that in your profile. Okay, and in your profile at the bottom here where it says profile links, make sure that you've got this set up correctly. This will determine where your clicks will actually go. And if you don't have the site here, then just click add and add where you want that traffic to go. And if for any reason you're having issues adding the blog on your own domain into WordPress.com, then a solution for that is to install Jetpack plugin, activate it, and then once you activate it, you will be able to connect into your WordPress.com from within the Jetpack plugin. Jetpack plugin will actually walk you through, and that will help you connect your account. So the manual steps to drive traffic using this method, as a recap, are every day you should log in and interact. So follow all the targeted posts, comment on them, and favorite them. In return, you will start building a loyal following base and your traffic will go up. You will also get immediate benefit from it because all of the people that get notifications through the WordPress.com blogosphere, they will be going to check your profile out, and that will mean that the traffic will start landing onto your website. People will start buying, opting into a list, etc. Anytime you post new content on your website, anyone who is following you will actually get notifications and they will start seeing your website through various WordPress.com outlets and sort of avenues that WordPress.com shows that content. You can also outsource this as well. So you can hire a virtual assistant if you like to do this daily login and interaction. As I mentioned earlier on in this video, there is actually a way to automate this whole process so that you can get a software that will actually do all of this for you. It will log in, it will follow, it will comment, and it will put those stars, so it will favorite the content, and that will create completely hands-off traffic for you. Even if you never log in again, it will actually allow you to continue getting traffic to your website that's completely targeted, and it will buy it, will opt into your email lists. If you want to check out the software that can do that for you automatically, the link is in the description below. And now I'm going to show you how this works. So this is the software. I have known this software for a number of years now, and I know that the developers of this software are very, very passionate. They've got a lot of testimonials and a lot of experience in helping the users of this software actually get the traffic. And you can see that the headline here, once you click on the link in the description below, says unlimited free buyer traffic on autopilot in any niche all day, every day. So this is a fully automatic software for set and forget traffic 24/7. You can actually get the results from the software, get the traffic results same day. I'm going to show you some proof a little bit down below. It is 100% free traffic. So the software does cost $27 or $37 depending which plan you want, and that's not a monthly cost. It is a one-off cost, so you just pay once and you've got the software forever. Okay, and it will get free traffic for you forever, and it has been working for a number of years. There are lots of really happy customers as well. And yes, this works in any niche, and you can do this with in any niche. You can grow your list, you can get sales, you can get commissions, and you can also profit without paid ads. So you don't need Facebook ads for this. You don't need to spend any money to actually do this. Now, I'm just going to zoom in. There are a lot of testimonials that you'll see on the sales page as well. You can see that Traffic Zion is doing its thing. So here are the notifications here from Jonathan, and there are people who are starting to follow his profile and starting to follow his posts as well. You can see here great results for my campaign. So here are visitors. Okay, so there are over 1,000 visitors in just one of the days here. There's more proof. There's so much on the sales page. You can see this same person, Alexander, first said he's getting traffic, and then it eventually started converting that traffic into the sales. The key thing, of course, is how exactly does this software work, and it works in just these steps really. So once you've got the software, you will log in and connect your profile and your websites. Then you will tell the software, you can see here, what niche and keywords you want the free traffic for. So that's what I was showing you before, which we were doing manually. What are the keywords that you want to target, okay? Whether it's affiliate marketing or dog training or preparing for interviews, it really works in any niche. And once you specify the niche and the keywords, then the software will automatically get you the free targeted visitors, and it will convert them into leads and sales on your website. So when you click the link in the description below, after you get the software, you will see an interface that looks like this. And after you logged in, you will need to create a new account for your blog. So for example, Caffeinated Blogger or dogtrainingguide.com, whatever the name is that you've chosen for your account. Then you will just need to connect your wordpress.com site to the Traffic Zion account like this. Then you will need to add tags. So tags are those keywords. In this example, it's affiliate marketing tips, Amazon Associates, blogging series, share a sell, affiliate marketing, whatever the keywords, the main keywords are for your niche and for your website. After that, you press this button here that says run, and the software will go ahead and start doing its work for you. In case you're wondering about the price is going to be $27 if you just want to run one website on Traffic Zion. So you can connect up to one website. There is a theme builder and a premium WordPress theme included. There is also training on how to monetize your site. And if you want to have a license which has 5 websites and allows you to get traffic to 5 different websites, then the price is $37. Now, both of these prices are one-time prices. So this is not monthly. It's not recurring. It's not yearly. It's just $27 once or $37 once as well. And the $37 package, of course, is better value per site, but it allows you to connect 5 websites instead of just one website. The cool thing, of course, is that Traffic Zion also does come with 100% unconditional, no questions asked guarantee. So if you're, for whatever reason, not happy within the 30 days, they will refund your money as well. So I think it's totally worth giving it a go. If you don't feel like you're getting enough traffic from this, you can always just get a refund. But if it's working for you, then great. It means that you can continue getting traffic for many months and many years to come just for that little one-time price. So if you do want to check it out, then the link is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Here are a couple of videos here at the top of the screen that I recommend for you to watch next if you want to learn more about how to drive traffic to your website. If you are not yet a subscriber, then subscribe to my channel just below. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.